Here we got a original unboxing of a Colt 1911. You can see it's a government model Mark IV, 38 Super, 5-inch barrel, the blue finish. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Apparently manufactured around 1980, early 1982. Really pristine finish on the blue, hardly any use on it. Got the Colt wood grips with the Colt insignia on the horse. Colt's government model. Original Colt magazine. Chambered in 38 Super, probably mentioned that already. Got an excellent bore. Slide safety, grip safety. Grip safety's working. Colt government model 1911, can't go wrong. MK Mark IV Series 70. Be on the lookout for this guy on d4guns.com. More guns like it.